The major concern or theme of this poem would be the effects of the war, the life of the soldiers, and the treatment of the soldiers by the people. The tune of the poem in the earlier stanzas is ironical when he says they are happy, when he says that insensibility is a good thing to be had for a soldier. But in the last very stanza, when he concludes the poem, he does not find insensibility a good trait. He says that they are not insensible, but they are actually cursed. They are cursed to be such as they are, insensible, emotionless, without feelings, without expressions, without any positive attitude towards life. Such men should not be called merely insensible, but they should be called as cursed. And also, in depth in this poem also runs an argument, a notion against war, a notion anti-war. By reflecting upon the lives of the soldiers, Wilfred Owen says that soldiers who are part of the war are cursed. Not every soldier. A soldier who is not the part of the war may not be cursed, but one who is a part of the war is cursed. Therefore, by giving this message, he says that we must not make men who are cursed, which indirectly is an argument against war. He reiterates his argument that we should not go to war. If we go to war, people whom we send to the war are cursed, are doomed. And Wilfred Owen has rightly called them, they are doomed and haggard faces. There is another poem by Wilfred Owen where he would be writing an anthem for the doomed youth. And same argument runs here. So the major concern of this poem, beneath the life of the soldier, is no to the war. Say no to the war. Any war that will take place on the earth will make human beings cursed, will bring misery not only to the soldiers but to all the human beings. So the best message that we get from this poem is say no to the war. We should not go to war. Anyone who dares to say that we will fight a war must be asked to go and read the accounts of those who have fought the wars, who have been the part of World War I, who have been the part of World War II, or who have been the part of wars that have been fought post-World War II. And then shall we realize how deadly thing a war is. We should feel at least pity on those who will fight a war for us, because those who talk highly about war are not going to be part of the battlefield. But there are going to be men who are doomed and who are haggard, who are cursed, who are like stones, who will be fighting for someone. And the only result of that fight would be either those youths will be doomed, or if they return, they'll not be normal. They'll come with hundreds of psychological problems, with depressions, with anxiety, and with other concerns which in recent times have increased. And they'll bring more harm, more curse, more misery, and a threat to the life on the planet. That is all from the world of literature today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe the World of Literature. I hope that this lecture was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and keep watching World of Literature for more interesting stuff on literature.